Hi everyone. So we are here today for the analysis of upcoming New York session. So in the New York session, I am looking for a buy in odd CHF. In the London session, I was looking for a sell and price has reached almost at a discount level from where I would love to buy. So definitely looking for a buy, but this will be a bit riskier one. It's not, I mean to say, the probability is 50% that this will go for a buy. Let's see how it develops. So anyhow, I'm going to grab a price near about this level, and stop loss should be here and take profit should be here. So let's see how this performs when the market opens, and based upon the reaction I will take a entry in this. All I am repeating, this is a 50-50 probability trade. And coming to our high probability trades, which should perform, I have more confidence in this. So this is a sell in euro yen. I'm looking for a sell in this, and I would love to grab a price somewhat at this level. So let's see how this develops when the market open. And stop loss should be here and take profit should be somewhat here. So standing by for this one. Thank you.